Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to talk about Git rebase. Uh, Merging and rebasing are two ways to integrate chains from one branch to another one. So till now, we got introduced with merge, but haven't touched rebase yet. So why we are using rebasing? In many situations, companies rather to avoid three-way merges and divergent commits. Rebasing is a solution. By rebasing, you might change the commit history on one branch and reapplies the work on another branch. To rebase a branch, you first have to fetch all the work that have been done on the branch that you want to rebase onto. This is something relevant to remote branches, which I'm not going to show you in this session. The reason is we usually avoid rebasing to a public or remote branches which are existing in remote repositories. And that's because of the golden rule of rebasing. Before getting to golden rule of rebasing, these are the commands that we have to do subsequently to do a rebasing once we are doing it in an interactive mode. So, okay, what is the golden rule of rebasing? You should never rebase a public branch since changing the commit history may make complications on our projects. It is better to rebase a branch if you have a local branch that never been pushed to remote, or the local branch is already pushed to remote repository, but we are sure no one contributed to that. As always, nothing is better than doing a real practice to learn about Git rebase. Okay, here I just gonna simulate this situation. I've already got two branches. One is master and one is feature, and they are existing in number project, which is just a local Git repository inside user one Linux environment. So as you can see, these are the commits history which are existing. 1, 2, 3 on master branch and 1, 22, 33 on feature branch. So what I'm going to do by rebasing, I'm going to combine these two commits in feature branch. How am I gonna combine them? Most likely I'm gonna use a squash and pick and just make a new commit which is a different hash than these both two commits which are existing here, and then rebase it to the master branch. So at the end, we will have a new commit history after number 3. As you can see, by doing git rebase, we are keeping the status of our commit history as a linear history. So you can, what is linear history? You can follow up your commits and find what is the parent commit. That's why we're gonna use rebase, which are supposed to be used in many of the projects. Okay, let's get back to my command line. So I'm going to create a new directory, mkdir, its name number dash project, number dash just get into that and run git init. Let's create the default branch, which I put master here. Vi number add one, git add dash git commit dash m one. Now let's create feature branch and switch to that. Dash C, it will create it. Git branch. Okay, I've got feature and master. Git checkout. Feature. So if I run cat number, I can see that number one is here, and git log dash dash one line will show me the head is toward feature and it is one. Okay, again I get back to master branch. This time I'm going to add number two, git add, git commit dash m two, and again number three, add git add and commit number three. Great. So if I can see, we have one, two, three here. You can see that they are existing, as well as in terms of the history, we got this history as well. It is also showing us where is the feature branch commits. So let's get back to feature again. And here I'm going to do something else. VI number will show me one is existing because we haven't uh, replicated whatever in master to this feature yet, and we don't want to do it as well. So here I add number 22 and git add, git commit 22 added. Anyway, all right, we do the same number 33, git add and 33 added. Great. If we run git uh, log, we can see we are in feature branch. These are our hash. And just to show you, just again, check out to master branch. And if we just see the logs, okay, you can see that just this one is common between them and the hash is also the same. So what's the plan? Let's get back to feature again. Uh, we are going to uh, combine these two commits to one commit and then go to master branch and merge this branch to that, to the feature branch to the master branch. Okay, let's clear the screen. The command is git rebase dash I head tilde shift tilde anyway. And two. This two is means the last two commits in the feature branch. Since we are already in the feature branch, hit enter. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one and I'm gonna squash this one. Oh my god, squash. Control X, yes. And here, let's add this one and okay, new commit history will be created. Yes, all right. What is it saying? Successfully rebased. But by the way, we already, okay, let me see. Number. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3. And if we run git log online, we can see that both of them being combined. This hash is different than 22 add and 32 add, which been existing before. So let's check out to master branch. Okay, just show you what we have done. We already done the combine on the feature branch. Now let's get back to master and merge feature to the master. In order to do that, just check out to the master and run git merge feature. It will throw error because there is a merge conflict existing. Great, but we have to resolve the conflict. Vi number. Okay, 1, 2, 3. dd. Oh, good. Git add and let me run it again. Okay, you have not concluded your merge. Commit. Okay, I need to create a new commit as well. So git commit dash m feature rebased. Oh, good. And if we go and see the logs, great, we can see we had 1, 2, 3, but we also have this combined one from the feature, and at the end, we already rebased We already had the final uh, commit in order to the merge one which happened. So we merged this feature after rebasing to this master branch and kept everything clean. Thank you for watching me. Hope to see you in next session.